Okay, now he's got it. His mouth.
The head is in his mouth.
Yep.
The
He's in
fish's
it
head
first.
is in his mouth.
You see?
This is a live video of a snake eating a fish.
The fish is still trying to get out.
He's trying to breathe, even though he's in the snake's mouth.
So we saw the snake hanging out with a fish, but we didn't realize he was hunting fish.
Because there are lots of fish over there, just resting on the rock.
Are you taking video?
Yeah. That's a good shot of his head.
That fish is trying to get out.
I wonder how long it takes him to eat that fish.
I don't know, but some fish, some snakes, it takes them almost
Oh, he's going somewhere else
2
there.
days to get.
Well,
Oh.
he's going.
He's trying to get the water, the flow
That's
of
a
the
sea
water to
snake.
help it. Get down.
I think I'd go for a smaller fish. There were some smaller ones over there. He must have been really hungry.
Maybe he should let that one go and go for
He
another
had
one.
to catch what he could get.
Alright, I'm going to stop now.